Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Today we're going to be talking about the month of July. As we all know, with the pandemic, everything gets slower. UPS, FedEx, and USPS, everything goes slower. So I understand it's not their end. It's everywhere. Everybody's ordering online. So obviously it gets really hectic. So let's start by letting you guys know what Boxycharm is, how much does it cost, and what do you get. So Boxycharm, as well as Ipsy and other obviously subscriptions, it's a monthly subscription. The one that I got is for $25 every month, and you get from 4 to 5 full-size items. There's a one that's called a Boxy Lux. And this one is Boxylux, costs an additional $28.99 plus taxes for 9 to 10 full-size items. So there you go, 4 to 5 or 9 to 10 full-size items. Obviously the box is gonna be bigger. This is my box. Still kind of big though compared to Ipsy. And Ipsy, that one that I got is the $12 a month, so obviously it's gonna be bigger. So let's begin. When you open the box, immediately you will see this card for the month of July. It says Boxycharm Sunshine, and in the back it will give you a list of the items that you got in the box with the prices and a small description about the product. So let's begin. So the first item, when I opened the box, immediately it caught my eye like a snap. It's the Skin Nac Y2 pollution defense booster. Here it is. So I have a lot of skincare from this brand. It's really expensive and it works so good. Honestly, the price is worth it, in my opinion. I'm in my 30s, so I'm starting to get fine lines. I don't have a lot of wrinkles or nothing right now. Obviously it depends on your skin, genetics, etc, etc. For at least for me, I'm barely starting to get like really small wrinkles. So this is the bottle that's inside the box, and the retail price for this is $135. It says on the card, I'm gonna read it what's in the back of the card. It says, a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. So if you are thinking about getting Boxycharm, or if you have it and you got this item, let me know. How I said before, I got it mid-August, so let me know if you like this item. This brand is really good. So the next item is a Ciaté London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. This is the box, super sparkly, super cute. Let me open the box for you guys. I haven't tried any of these items yet. In the future, I probably will do I'll get the box and I'll start my makeup. For example, if I get makeup or I get skincare, as an example, I got skincare this month. I will try it on the video to let you guys know. But right now I couldn't do it because I'm super back up with the videos and everything. So I said, you know what, let me sit down, and one day I'm gonna try to do all the boxes that I got at home. So this is the setting spray with the golden cap. Let me open it right here, and let's see how it smells, and let's see how the spray it is. Okay. Oh, it smells like coconuts. Oh yeah. Yeah, it went away already. It's really subtle, but you can smell the coconuts. I would do my makeup on a future video, and I will let you guys know if how it works. Let me read to you the little information in the card. It says, set and refresh your makeup with Ciaté London Everyday Vacay setting spray infused with coconut. This luminous ultra fine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over your skin. Okay, this delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back on the beach. And before I read the card, and I didn't read the card before, it smells like coconuts. It's really subtle, but it smells like a fresh coconut. So if you like the coconut smell, this is for you. So the next item is a PÜR Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Wow, this is the first time. No, it's not the first time I tried PÜR Cosmetics. I think I tried a eyeliner and maybe a primer, but never eyeshadows. This is the box, like a holographic. And in the back, the colors, as you can see, are 12 eyeshadows. It says 12-piece pressed pigment palette. So let's go ahead, open it up, and do a little bit of swatches for you guys. While I'm struggling to open the box, I'm gonna read the little information. It says, get into the state of intense euphoria with this shimmer infused 12-piece pressed pigmented palette that instantly coats lids in a dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded. Dang, wow, I'm still struggling to open this. 1 second. Okay, so now I'm back after I almost ripped the box open. So here are the colors. Let me get it close to you guys so you guys can see. They look super pigmented, super fun. I don't have a palette with this combination of colors. Either I have really berry tone palettes or super neutral, but like right now, you know, with that really vibrant pink and purple and blue, you know, it's a different palette. So let's go ahead and swatch. I'm gonna start with the top row right here, the top, obviously the top. The first color is called Euphoria. Wow, this is super buttery. Just as a FYI, I live in a really humid place, so sometimes, like, when I get stuff on the mail, sometimes they get sweaty, obviously because it's hot here the whole year. I don't get no cold weather, so I don't tend to do negative comments about for example, if these eyeshadows were too buttery, but they're actually not meant to be too buttery. I understand, because the process, the shipping, everything, coming here, staying at the post office, whatever, you know, it might change it might get a little bit of you know, moisture. So let's go with the first color called Euphoria. There you go. The next color is called Pure Bliss. Second one. The first one is more like a golden color. The second one is more like a champagne color. The third one is called Photo Op. This is a matte color. Wow, super buttery. Super nice. The fourth one and the last one of the row is called Dreamland. Like a coral color. Whoa. Do you guys see how it looks right here? Super vibrant. Maybe it's my skin tone. Maybe it's not. And it's this one right here. Super vibrant. So the second row, we're gonna start with a turn up. Super vibrant pink. Let's go ahead and start with that one right here. Whoa. Oh yeah, it's vibrant. Second color is called Instaworthy. Matte again. There you go. I apologize for the swatches, they're horrible. The third one is called Vibes. It's a shimmery as well. Oh, this is like, you know, different colors. And the last one of the row is called Onset. Wow, I'm blind. Onset, yeah, I was right. It's a matte chocolate color. Let's go on top again. There you go. It's really, really good. So let's go ahead and start. Let me clean my fingers so I don't get okay, the last row is, the first one is called Utopia. And listen, if I misspell or I missaid the name of the colors, I will try to, you know, do the palette, the colors, just at the specific order that I did right here. Oh, that's super pretty. Shifts colors too. Second one is called Electric. Super blue. There we go. Whoa. Wow. Fourth one is called Fantasy World Purple. Let's see. Oh yeah. And last one but not least, VIP Pass. Let's see. Well, none of them look, in my opinion, patchy or anything. They look really, really good. So I'm utilizing the next item that I got in the box. So this is the, I'm sorry, before I jump into the next item, this palette, it retails for $36, and I didn't give you the price for the setting spray. The Ciaté London is $22. So the next item that I got is a you know, actually this is the last item, but I'm gonna say before is Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. I saw this in a different YouTuber's video. If I'm not mistaken, the first time, no, I don't want to say the first time, well, the last time that I saw a YouTuber utilizing something like this was Alex from Learning to Be Fearless. So what do? It's like a sponge, and inside, this is my fingers with the palette, and you dry clean your eyeshadow brush right here. It will remove most of the pigment out of the bristles. So when I do my eyeshadow or when I do a video, I will give you guys a demonstration because I don't have any brushes on hand right now. This brush cleaner retails for $17. And the last item that I got is skincare. It's Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Masks, 12 pairs. I'm sorry, this is the box that I got in the box. As you can see, let me open it up for you guys. And while pulling one of them out, it says, suffering from dark circles, puffy eyes, bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes, ? Perk them up as if you had them 8 hours of sleep. And with this eye masks. So here it is. These are the under eye masks, or you know, they're like jelly. You put them under your eyes. Never used anything from this brand before. This retails for $21. So how I said before, I will let you guys know how it works. And just a FYI from my last video, if I don't remember if I said it, I have really sensitive skin. So if this is good for sensitive skin, I will let you guys know. So let me give you the add up of the prices for all the items. Let me move my stuff up out of here, and I'm gonna use my iPad right here so I can give you guys a total how much it's the box worth. So the first item is the 1-1 Skin, that is $135, plus Ciaté London setting spray that it retails for $22, plus the PÜR Cosmetics eyeshadow palette that retails for $36, plus the brush cleaner that retails for $17, and last but not least, the eye patches or under eye masks that retails for $21. So the total is $228, and I paid $25 for this box. So is it worth it? Of course. You obviously get more of what you paid. I don't have experience with the boxy looks, or the expensive box, of what kind of brands you get, or if you get the same one, just additional items. But this is my first Boxycharm box, and I'm totally satisfied. Honestly, I'm gonna keep my subscription, and I will let you guys know, obviously, with videos, the next items, if I'm satisfied with the items, if I think it's worth it, just by getting this. In my experience, just by getting this, by getting the setting spray, and for example this, it's super worth it. It's really worth it. Just skincare, you get setting spray and you get a brush cleaner. So that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoy Boxycharm unboxing this with me, and that is it. If you guys have any questions, I will link all the items, all the full prices, the eyeshadow palettes, and all the colors down below. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys on the next video.